What's up everyone, welcome to your 7th Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be going over the basics of the project panel. Now if you didn't know, one of the main panels that you'll be working with the most and you would definitely need is called the project panel, and it's on default docked in the top left of Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's just find our way around here a little bit. One of the most common tools that you'll be using in the project panel is this little tool right here. It's called the new item, and what it does is when you click it, it gives you a drop down list of all the new items that you can make. Mostly you want to make a sequence, which is kind of a series of clips, a title, which you know what that is, a black video where you see if you click it, it's just a plain black background. And that's used a lot in the backgrounds of titles when you don't want it to be transparent and you want it to be black instead, with cash showing up and the title showing up and stuff. And another thing you might want, but I don't like very much, is just universal counting leader. That's the old-fashioned countdown from 4, 3, 2, 1. But I don't really like that too much because it's not very new. It's kind of an old thing. Another thing that I want to go over in the project panel is how to expand this panel. If you go to the right and see these two double arrows and drag it, you can see all of these characteristics of your clips. As you can see, you have name, label, frame rate, when it begins and ends, the endpoints and outpoints. And these can be useful to different people for different reasons, and because of that, Adobe lets you rearrange these how you like. To rearrange these, simply grab onto a name by left clicking it, and as you can see, when you start dragging it, it highlights. And if you just want to move it around, move it between whatever you want and let go. Again, click it, hold on, and you could rearrange your characteristics of your clip however you want. Another thing that you can do is sort all of the elements in the project panel according to how you want them or how you think you're going to need them. As you can see right now, they're sorted by name, and you can tell this because there's a little arrow by name. If you just click that one time, the arrow points down, and all of the elements in name are sorted by descending order. Again, the arrow pointed up is ascending, the arrow pointed down is ascending. And not only can you sort them by name, you can sort them by label, frame rate, or any of these characteristics right here, even media duration, see how long your clips are. But most people would just go ahead and sort them by name. Now, besides organizing your clips like this, there is one other very useful thing that another way that you can organize your clips, and this is called bins. Now if you didn't know, a bin is pretty much the same thing as a folder or a directory in Windows. It's a place where you can just keep all your files or clips or anything you actually want to put on it. So to create a new one, just click this little bin symbol, and as you can see, you can name it. I'll just name my new bin. And now, once you name it, you can go ahead and drag clips or anything else you want down in it. Just hold it, and when the bin is highlighted, let go, and your clip is automatically in your new bin. So let's move a couple clips in here. And now we have 2 clips in our new bin. And as you can see, we can sort these easily. If we want to minimize them, just click the arrow. If we want to show everything in our bin, click our out arrow. And if we ever want to take anything out of a bin, just click it and drag it out. Now as you can see, this is out of the bin. Anything that's indented a little bit is in the bin, and anything that's out of it is of course out of it. So let's click that, drag it out, and anytime you want to get rid of the bin, just right click it and press clear. Now make sure everything is out of your bin when you clear it, because if you have stuff in your bin and clear it, it'll actually get rid of everything in there. So make sure everything's out of it before you clear it, and I hope you enjoyed my tutorial on this project panel. In next tutorial, we're probably going to be going over the timeline panel, so thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe.